this is the lobby. Um, There's rose petals and nice decor. I really like these plants that bring so much decoration, and feeling to this seating area. We'll have a look at the pool. Don't think I'll be able to swim in the pool, but morning. Oh, it's a nice pool here. Infinity pool. Some seating areas over there. This is the hotel, the Leela Ambience Convention Hotel in New Delhi. Some of the rooms face the poolside. The attention to detail that the staff put in is incredible. Everyone's very friendly, ready to assist with any questions, anything you may have. So I really rate this hotel pretty high. You can see a lawn there. They use that for probably weddings and other events. There's lots of pigeons thirsty and swimming in the water down there. So it's great that to stop these pigeons from kind of becoming annoying when you're lying on the day beds here. They've got this mesh around the whole area just to protect and stop the pigeons getting in, which is cool. So we'll head to the breakfast room and see what's on offer for breakfast. Shower. Good morning. How are you? Good. Thank you. It's a nice day today.
Thank you. वैसे पानी गर्म है सर.
Acha, it's heated food. Oh, okay. All right, I might give it a check out. Yeah, I can see little smokes coming out there. Up to what temperature is heated?
Now it's 21 plus 1, plus 1 minus 1.
Okay.
So 28.
28? Okay, that's good. And it's not too deep?
Not
4
really,
feet,
just
yeah.
4 feet.
4 feet, yeah.
Just for the design, not for the swimmer.
No, just for leisure.
Uh,
Great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you. Yeah, so the pool guard's explaining that the pool is heated, which is nice. The temperatures in Delhi actually plummet, so it becomes very cold. Back in the lobby here. There's lots of seating areas. They appear to have a club here, which is a bar. Some information about that. The Christmas tree decorated with all these bottles. That's just amazing. I wonder how long they've taken to actually set up this Christmas tree, but a lot of effort has gone in, and congratulations to all the people, if it's one or many, who did this. Made the Christmas tree. That's just amazing. So So it's crafted from reused glass bottles, reclaimed floorboards from the hotel. Very interesting. They are committed to environmental sustainability, and it's a great reminder for everyone that sustainability is just not a choice, it's a way forward, and creates a greener world. So that is just amazing. Off to the breakfast room. It's a bit confusing to way around with these glass doors. Thankfully they open automatically, but if they didn't, there would be a lot of injuries or accidents if people don't realize they're walking through clear glass. Ooh, sunrise, beautiful sunrise, but you can't actually see anything because it's all smoke and haze. It should clear up, but generally it stays like this, I think, most of the day. So this city needs to work on its level of pollution. Pollution levels are just too high in this city. So they need to bring out electric cars. All the pollution comes out from these cars, so they need to work on that. Otherwise, not many people will be living here, and it's not great for anyone's health. Oh, so beautiful. This is our fish pond. The fish want some breakfast. This is great. Coffee cart. Hello, good morning. Room 1418? 1418. Just one person. That's right.